Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Thoughtful Wishes stamp set. This does come in a bundle, but I'm just using the stamp set. So I have a piece of basic white card here, and it is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And I am using my pencil and ruler and drawing off a line on the 1/2 inch side, the bottom 1/2 inch of my card. And now I'm going in with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I am stamping, I think they're tulips. Not 100% sure. I'm not a horticulturalist, but I'm going to color them like tulips. I know spring is almost done and summer is upon us, but I thought this is a lovely stamp set, so I'm going to use the flowers. This is basic beige. It's a new color to us, and I'm really loving it. I just didn't want a very dark, I didn't want a dark impression of this color. I just sort of wanted to make it look pretty ethereal and whimsical, and going in with Tuxedo Black ink again to stamp the sentiments. So there's a very slight beige dots. So now this is Flirty Flamingo, I believe, and I am going to use the brand new Peach Pie color. And I did want to talk a minute about my In Color Club. It is not too late to join. You have until December to join. So if you want to join in, get all the new in colors with lots of little extras, please be my guest. I'll put the link in the box below. And I'm using 2 of the new in colors. So that was Peach Pie, and this is Shy Shamrock. And I'm going to blend the Shy Shamrock with the Granny Apple Green color. They blend nicely together, just like Peach Pie and Flirty Flamingo. So it's a little bit of coloring, but this is a pretty simple card. It's pretty easy to duplicate. It was like repeat stamping. We did a little bit of sort of generational stamping for just underneath that sentiment, but aside from that, pretty easy card. I'm not going to erase that pencil line. I am going to put a strip of black card that has adhesive on it. So it's an adhesive backed piece of card. Basically, we sell adhesive sheets, and I put it on a portion of my black card, and then I make very thin strips. Can you see how striking that design is? It's lovely. Okay, so now I'm just going to adhere this to our basic beige card base, and then I'm going to come in with the adhesive backed dragonflies and birds. These embellishments have been around for a while. It adds to the whole card. Like I said, it's a very simple card. I did want to mention that the bundles are on sale right now to the end of June. So what that means is that any bundle that Stampin' Up sells is normally marked off by 10% and initially. And then it's also for this month, it's an additional 10% on that. So it is a great time to purchase the bundles, and I have 3 bundles that I love, and I'm putting online classes for them. So you can sign up for 1, 2, all 3, whatever you want to do. I'm happy to have you, and I will put that link in the description box as well. So thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.